Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices so pairing is fast and reliable. Make sure Airpods and the case have some charge, and then unlock your iPhone 13 Pro Max. Once done, open Settings and confirm Bluetooth is on. Make sure airplane mode is off so background services won't interfere. Put the Airpods in their case and open the lid next to the phone. This triggers the iPhone to look for a new device and prepares the next quick on-screen prompt. You'll see a large pairing animation appear. This is the iPhone confirming it found the Airpods. Tap Connect and then follow the brief prompts. These include selecting left/right controls and whether to enable Siri. Make sure to accept any requests to use your Apple ID so the Airpods sync across devices. If firmware updates are suggested, install them now. They often fix compatibility and stability. Once the status changes to connected, you finish by verifying audio playback, microphone input, and automatic ear detection so everything behaves as expected. If something fails, don't panic. First, place Airpods in the case, close and wait 10 seconds, then open and try again. If that still fails, press and hold the case setup button for about 15 seconds to reset, then re-attempt pairing. And if Bluetooth on your iPhone looks stuck, restart the phone. A reboot often clears system Bluetooth issues and gets you connected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.